Teacher RV wanted to show a close representation of the size and shape of the Earth and its location in the entire solar system. Which instructional tool should he use? Would this be letter A, realia, letter B, model, letter C, picture, or letter D, film? So when you say close dito, hindi po yung malapit, na malapit in proximity, pero malapit yung size niya and shape. Kumbaga almost exacto yung pagkakagawa, no? And so, tumpak na choice po natin here would be letter B, model, no? So, mas higit siya kesa sa picture kasi yung picture mo, hindi siya magiging close to the size and shape, di ba? Maaring hindi proportional, no? Yung sizes and shapes nila. So, model po yung ating magiging choice. Hindi po film, no? Kasi film, movie. It's a movie, no? And when you say realia, kapag sinabi mo pong realia, these are real-life objects, okay? So kapag sinabi mong realia, kukunin niya yung Earth, kukunin niya yung mundo, ipapakita niya talaga yung mundo, no? So example sa mga realia natin would be the coins, di ba? Yung mga stamps natin, yung mga postcards, no? These are realia. Even your specimens sa lab natin, these are realia, okay? So letter B po, ang tumpak na choice.